In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a card comment using Trello in N8N. This is a quick and useful automation if you want to add comments to Trello cards without doing it manually every time. If you work with task boards, project updates, or team workflows, this can save you a lot of time and keep everything organized in one place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8N tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow or a new one you're building from scratch. Once you're inside the canvas, go to the Nodes panel and search for Trello. When you see the Trello node, click it to add it to your workflow. After adding the Trello node, you'll need to choose the correct operation. From the available actions, select Create a Card Comment. This tells N8N that instead of creating a card or moving a card, you want it to leave a comment on an existing Trello card. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This is the Trello account connection that N8N will use to access your boards and cards. Make sure you select the right one if you have more than one account connected. If you haven't added your Trello credentials yet, you'll need to connect them first before you can continue. Now it's time to configure what to create. This is where you define the card comment details. You'll usually need to specify the card you want to comment on, along with the comment text you want to post. Depending on your workflow, this comment can be static text or dynamic data coming from previous nodes. So if you want N8N to post an automatic update, you can map values from earlier steps into the comment field. Take a moment to review your setup carefully. Make sure the Trello node is pointed at the correct board and card, and make sure the comment message says exactly what you want it to say. Small mistakes here can lead to comments being posted on the wrong card or with the wrong message, so it's always worth double-checking before you run the workflow. Once everything is configured, save your node and test the workflow. When the workflow runs successfully, N8N will create the Trello card comment automatically for you. That's it, you've now set up a Trello card comment in N8N. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more N8N automations, workflow tutorials, and no-code tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.